ignored. And Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital has a public relations department. The complaints and the pleas by the victim or the complainant were ignored until she had to seek refuge at the Senate, Mr. Speaker. We must be told, I expected in this report by the health to recommend administrative action against Public Relations Office of Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital in Eldoret to tell us why did they ignore. So, Speaker, imagine you are a parent. All of us are parents here. I don't know about Medu, but all of us who are parents, and also Senator Eddie, I'm not aware whether they are parents or not, unless they go on record to tell us they are. Mr. Speaker, all of us are parents. We know the pain of losing a child. Imagine that when she wanted to complain before the hospital, Mr. Speaker, there was no even empathy to listen to. This is somebody's child we have lost, Mr. Speaker. Therefore, I expected the health committee to recommend that administrative action must be taken against public relations officers and any person who deals with relations of public, Mr. Speaker, at Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital. Mr. Speaker, that is the only list we could do. I can imagine if this is Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital, how many hospitals have lost their lives? I remember a case in Isero, Mr. Speaker. There is a girl who delivered properly in Kabiet and she was later brought to Mosoriat where she bled to death. The county government of Nandi did little or nothing to even give counseling or even that listening here for the complaint against negligence where she had gone to deliver and there was a botched cesarean section procedure, Mr. Speaker. So I want to call upon that we must be empathic. Even in this report, and I hope there is members of health in this committee. So, Speaker, even in this report, they have not recommended for socio-psychological support to the parent. Because after losing the child, they can even go into stress. They can go even they can even develop some stress and even, Mr. Speaker, they can even have suicidal thoughts. This is somebody who has lost a child, Mr. Speaker. So I hope in the future, and this is my advice to the committees, Mr. Speaker, you are aware in the Constitution, you are one of the long-serving members of Parliament in this House. The Senate and Parliament enjoys the High Court status. So whenever we make recommendations, we must make recommendations like the High Court. Mr. Speaker, let's quickly go to the recommendations that this committee did develop. I'm happy, but I'm sad. What the committee recommended is sweet and sour, like the Chinese dish, trying to run away from this responsibility and then apportioning blame. So, Speaker, the reading of Section 20 of the Medical Practitioners Dentist Act, Cap 253, Section 20, as revised in 2012 and 2019, is very clear on disciplinary procedures. One of the grounds, Mr. Speaker, is you can caution. You can issue caution or you can reprimand. You can also, Mr. Speaker, order remedial cases for doctors or medical practitioners. I expected, after the procedure was done, Mr. Speaker, do you know 2 procedures was done? Trichotomy and another one related to brachiotomy, Mr. Speaker. 2 was done, but they never removed the foreign body. It means the doctors led by Dr. Odinga and company, that the surgical team, Mr. Speaker, they must be ordered to go back for remedial training. Because after 2 procedures, they could not trace the foreign body in that young girl. You can imagine the pain that she underwent during surgical process, Mr. Speaker. So one of the recommendations, which I didn't see after Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council did not notice, to recommend the remedial. Because God forbid, how many patients has gone through their hands and negligence as this, Mr. Speaker. Even they were supposed to even suspend the license of these doctors and medical team that including nurses, Mr. Speaker. They should even have what we call penalties and fines, because under Section 20 of Medical Practitioners and Dentists Act, Cap 253, and as revised in 2019,